In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Stripe to your GoDaddy website step by step so you can start accepting payments the right way. If you run an online store, sell services, or want to let customers pay securely through your site, this setup is a great place to start. I'll keep this simple and practical, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to install WooCommerce, connect Stripe, and save your payment settings correctly. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more website and business tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to yourdomain/wp-admin. This takes you to the WordPress admin area for your GoDaddy website. Once the page loads, log in using your admin credentials. After you're inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Plugins, then click Add Plugins. This is where you can install extra features that extend your website's functionality. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. WooCommerce is the plugin that turns your WordPress site into a store, and it's the foundation you need before you can properly set up Stripe payments. When WooCommerce appears in the results, click Install Now, and once it finishes installing, click Activate. After activation, you'll see WooCommerce added to your site, and you'll be able to configure its settings. Next, from the sidebar, click WooCommerce, then go into Settings. Inside the Settings area, find and click the Payments tab. This section controls which payment methods your website can accept. Here, look for Stripe and install it if it's not already available. Depending on your setup, WooCommerce may prompt you to connect or set up Stripe through a built-in onboarding process. In this example, we're connecting a test account just to demonstrate the setup process. If you see the option to create or connect a test account, go ahead and click that. This is useful for testing so you can make sure everything works before accepting real payments. During the setup flow, you may see a form or onboarding page. If that appears, click Skip this form so you can move ahead faster. Once the Stripe connection steps are complete, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important step because none of your payment settings will be applied unless you save them. After that, your Stripe payment method should be connected to your GoDaddy WordPress website through WooCommerce. At this point, it's a good idea to do a quick test payment later from the storefront so you can confirm everything is working as expected. If you're setting up a real business site, also make sure your business details, checkout settings, and product pages are all configured properly so customers have a smooth checkout experience. And that's it. You've now learned how to add Stripe to a GoDaddy website using WordPress and WooCommerce. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.